So just around the middle of August, most people who have a big vegetable garden know that you get a huge influx of peppers that overlap all your other big crops like tomatoes and squash and everything else. So, and melons for us this year too. So when that happens, usually we got to get out all the canning equipment and pickle something up or make some sauce. But what I've discovered is that the easiest and quickest way to preserve your pepper harvest is to use lactic acid fermentation. And that's what we've done with these ghost peppers here. So these are butcholoquias and jalapenos on top to be as the cap so the weight can hold them all down in their brine. And they're fully fermented now. We've seen the carbonation happening, and I just tasted the brine. You can taste its tang and its beautiful heat. So what I'm going to be doing is using the live cultures in this ferment to give these guys a head start, this mix of hot peppers. So all you basically have to do is I'm going to cut them open to make sure there's no compromised interiors of the peppers, so no other bacteria that are the decomposing ones to compete with the good guys, the lactobacilli. And then once they're in halves, I'm going to put them all smallest first at the bottom of this big jar until we get to the top. Use these guys sliced in half as a capping tool, and then put a weight on top of that. And then I'm going to use about a tablespoon and a half of Himalayan salt dissolved into water. And you just pour that brine over it, throw in a little tablespoon of the brine from the ghost peppers, and you got yourself a live ferment that will preserve these peppers. And not only preserve them, but they'll stay raw. So all their nutrition will be intact. Their flavor's enhanced, I think, by tasting this. And you get enzymatic and probiotic along with it. So, living hot sauce, here we come.